Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a jewelry declutter. This is going to be a part one of a two-part series. One, I'm going to be decluttering my jewelry, and then two, I'm going to be putting it into like some new boxes and organizing it further. But for now, let's just stick to the decluttering and get right into it. I'm going to start by laying out everything on the floor so I can see what I have to work with. So this is everything in the box. I'm going to go ahead and give this box a quick wipe. And this isn't all the jewelry. I do have this little tiny box filled with all of my stud and tiny earrings. So we're gonna lay that out as well to go through and declutter. I'm gonna go ahead and start with earrings. So I got two dangly earrings. I think I'm just gonna keep one. I'm gonna get rid of this pair with a diamond top because they're really casual compared to the other ones. These ones are way more dressy, so I think I'm going to keep those dressy ones for fancy occasions. And then I have these small hoops. I'm going to keep the smallest hoops because I got really tiny ears anyways, and then I'll get rid of the large ones and the medium ones. Next up, I have my little like fake diamond studs. They're really like thick, and I'm gonna keep the small ones and get rid of the medium and the large ones. And then these ones, I cannot remember what they are called, but they like clip on to the top of your ear. I got these ones that have like little spaces in between, and I got solid ones. I'm gonna keep the bigger ones with the spaces in between. They're just more impactful, and I think they look a little bit cooler. And I got these little studs. They're just like little metal studs. Don't really like them, so they're gonna go. And then I have these little leaf ones, and again, I just never wear these. I got these in like a big pack from like H&M or something. It can go. Next up are my rings. I really only wear my engagement ring, so I'm gonna get rid of all of the rings that are really tarnished and just like old. And then I'm gonna keep these three. They're really cool looking and different, so I'm gonna keep those in my collection. Next, we have things that go around our wrist, like watches and bracelets. I got this really big one. I think it's a nice statement piece, so I'm gonna keep that one. And then I'm gonna keep both of my watches. They're really different. One's more dressy, one's more casual, but I like them both, so I'm gonna keep them and try to wear them more often. And then I have my Pandora bracelet. I am definitely not gonna get rid of this one. I like keeping a lot of things that have like really cool sentimental value to them. And then I'm pretty much gonna get rid of everything else. There was actually two bracelets in there that I did end up keeping after I took a second look, but the majority of it I am getting rid of. Next, I have my necklaces. So I don't have too many in this category, but I am gonna get rid of a few. So in these little boxes, I keep my really dainty necklaces. These ones all have like a sentimental meaning to them, and they're just really pretty, so I'm gonna definitely be keeping those. Then I have this necklace, which I literally have no clue where it came from. I cannot remember. That's so bad. You know you have too much stuff when you can't remember where it came from. Then I have these three chokers. I think I'm going to keep the thickest velvet one, and then the other two I'm going to let go of. And then this necklace I really like, but I cannot get it untangled for the life of me. I've tried so many times. And then I have this little feather necklace. I'm mostly going to let this go. It's not really suiting my style anymore. And then I have this like big statement piece, and I'm definitely going to keep that. As far as my nail polishes go, I'm going to get rid of the base coat and the top coat because every time I use my nails, it ruins my nail polish. It makes it so bubbly, and I don't know why, and I've tried different ones. It just always happens for some reason. I'm just going to let go. And then also I have this peel off glitter. It's just a mess, honestly. I hate it, and it's going to. And then everything else I'm going to be keeping. That pretty much leaves us with our like miscellaneous, don't fit into a category stuff. I have this mirror from Sephora. I'm gonna clean it up and then donate it because I have another one. And then I have this string and this one button. I'm just gonna move those to my sewing kit. And then I have this really cool feather pen, and I'm definitely keeping this. It's like a really cool decorative piece. It has different tips, and I just love it. So it's staying. this is everything that I'm gonna be getting rid of, minus those 2 bracelets in there. Those are staying. But yeah, guys, that is everything I got rid of. And then to see what we actually kept, voila, look how little there is left. All that's left is to organize it into a jewelry box once it gets here, and that will be in another video coming soon. But I hope you guys liked this one, and if you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. And until next time, guys, bye.